Hello friends, today we see integers 6th standard lesson number 3. Let's recall. There is a picture and we can count how many boys, how many flowers or how many ducks. How many numbers were created because of the need to count things in nature. We write the count of things in the form of numbers. Let's discuss. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 that we have used up to now for counting are called counting numbers. They are also called natural numbers. But is it possible to count the stars in the sky or the grains of sand on the beach? They are innumerable. And so are the natural numbers. Look at this list of the natural numbers. We see natural numbers starts with 1 or they can be counted many more. Of course, we cannot do without 0. The set of all natural numbers together with 0 is the set of whole numbers. 1 पासून अनेक संख्यांपर्यंत आपण नैसर्गिक संख्या म्हणतो, नॅचरल नंबर्स म्हणतो. तर होल नंबर्स म्हणजे पूर्ण संख्या या शून्यापासून सुरू होतात. या नॅचरल नंबर्समध्ये फक्त 0 ॲड केलं की ती लिस्ट होल नंबर्सची होते. होल नंबर्स म्हणजे पूर्ण संख्या. Here is an example. In Maharashtra, the temperature falls to 10 degrees Celsius or even 8 degrees Celsius in winter, but not down to 0 degrees Celsius. But in Kashmir, it may fall even below 0 degrees Celsius. To show that, we need numbers that are less than 0. There are negative numbers or positive numbers also on the number line. Can we show negative numbers on the number line? Of course. On the right of 0 at distances of 1, 2, 3 or units are the numbers 1, 2, 3. On the left of 0 at 1, 2, 3 unit distances are the numbers -1, -2, -3. They are called negative numbers. Take care. The plus sign is generally not written before positive numbers. However, it is necessary to write the minus sign of a negative number. 0 does not have any sign. Try this. There are 3 glasses. First, warm water. Second, crushed ice. And third, crushed ice and salt. Take warm water in one beaker, some crushed ice in another, and a mixture of salt and crushed ice in a third beaker. As your teacher, for help in measuring the temperature of the substance in each of the beakers using a thermometer. Note the temperatures. Let's learn. Positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers together form a group of numbers called the group of integers. Positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers together form a group of numbers called the group of integers. My friend, maths at the fair in the lift. there is a number line on the left, 0, -1, -2, or 0, 1, 2, 3. We can use -1 or -2 below the ground and 1, 2, 3 above the ground floor. Look at the picture of the kulfi man. Why do you think he keeps the kulfi molds in a mixture of salt and ice? Showing integers on the number line. The point on a number line which is marked 0 is called the origin. On the left and right of 0, points are marked at equal distances. The numbers shown by points on the right are positive numbers and those shown by points on the left are negative numbers. We see the number line. Middle is origin or 0. Then our right hand there are positive numbers, or left hand there are negative numbers. Show the numbers -7 and +8 on the number line. -7 and +8 we can show with A or B. A -7 or B +8. A or B. Then there is a figure. Can you tell? There is a circle in middle. We see these are natural numbers 1, 2, 3. When we add 0, they are whole numbers, or when we add -1, -2 or numbers, they all are integers. My class, that is standard 6th, is a part of my school. My school is in my town. My town is part of a taluka. In the same way, the taluka is a part of district and the district is a part of Maharashtra state. In the same way, what can you say about these groups of numbers? We write this way. My class, school, town, taluka, or district, or state, Maharashtra. We learn with this picture. Practice set 4. Classify the following numbers as positive numbers and negative numbers. We can use circle. They are positive numbers who have sign plus, or not a sign. They are also positive numbers. ज्या संख्येला कुठलंही चिन्ह नाहीये ती संख्या सुद्धा पॉझिटिव्हच आहे. आणि ज्या संख्येला प्लस लिहिलेलं आहे दिलेलं आहे ती सुद्धा काय आहे पॉझिटिव्ह आहे. आता आपण निगेटिव्ह पाहूया. निगेटिव्ह संख्या पाहूया. ज्या संख्यांना मायनस हे चिन्ह दिलंय त्या सगळ्या संख्या या निगेटिव्ह नंबर्स आहेत. तुम्ही सुद्धा अशा खूप संख्या लिहा स्वतः आणि त्यांचं वर्गीकरण करा पॉझिटिव्ह नंबर्स आणि निगेटिव्ह नंबर्समध्ये. Given below are the temperatures in some cities. Write them using the proper signs. Place or temperature: Shimla 7 degrees Celsius below 0 degree, Leh 12 degrees Celsius below 0 degree, Delhi 22 degrees Celsius above 0 degree, or Nagpur 31 degrees Celsius above 0 degree. प्रॉपर सायन्स: बिलो और अबाव. अबाव म्हणजे वर आहे, 0च्या वरच्या बाजूला. म्हणजेच ही दिल्लीचं तापमान +22 आहे आणि हे जे 31 आहे नागपूरचं ते सुद्धा +31 डिग्री सेल्सिअस आहे. आणि जे बिलो आहेत ते आहेत -12 डिग्री सेल्सिअस और -7 डिग्री सेल्सिअस. असं आपण इथं प्रॉपर सायन्स देऊ शकतो. राईट द नंबर्स इन द फॉलोइंग एक्झाम्पल्स युजिंग द प्रॉपर सायन्स. पहा, प्रॉपर साइन द्यायचे आपल्याला. अ सबमरीन इज ॲट अ डेप्थ ऑफ 512 मीटर्स बिलो सी लेवल. एक सबमरीन आहे. सबमरीन म्हणजेच पाणबुडी आणि ती समुद्राच्या तळाला 512 मीटर एवढ्या समुद्रापासून खाली खोल 512 मीटर एवढ्या अंतरावर आहे. म्हणजेच ती -512 आहे. द हाईट ऑफ माउंट एव्हरेस्ट, द हायेस्ट पीक इन द हिमालयाज, इज 8,848 meters. It is +8,848 meters. A kite is flying at a distance of 120 meters from the ground. It is also +120 meters. एक पतंग आहे आणि तो जमिनीपासून 120 मीटर अंतरावर आहे. फ्लाइंग करतोय, उडतोय, म्हणजेच तो प्लस आहे. The tunnel is at a depth of 2 meters under the ground. -2 meters.